Hello. Today I will show you how to customize voucher form fields. First, go to the WooCommerce dashboard and click on All Vouchers. You'll be taken to a page where all vouchers are listed with details such as title, short code, and publish status. Now, open the voucher that you want to use to observe the impact of form fields. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, where you can see the list of available form fields. Here, you can see that all form fields are currently selected. Let's check their impact on the front end. Open the voucher form on the front end, and you will notice that all fields are visible. Now, go back to the backend and uncheck a few fields, such as number of adults, number of children, and the custom message field. Update the voucher and view it again on the front end. You can clearly see that the unchecked fields are no longer displayed. Next, go back to the backend and keep only the receiver email address and voucher price field selected. These are mandatory fields and cannot be unchecked. Update the voucher and open it on the front end. You will now see that only the receiver email address and voucher price fields are visible. This is how you can customize voucher form fields. Thank you for watching.